Hello guys, I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. So if you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all and I'm here to tell you, you are in the right place. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to remove extensions from your Chrome if you don't want to keep them anymore. Alright, so without wasting much time, I'm just going to go into this. So first you have to go is to go into your Chrome, and from here you're just going to go over to this part that you can see extensions, and once you click it, you're going to see a bunch of extensions. So you're going to go over to manage extensions and you click it, it will take you to this page, and what you have to do is to just click on remove. But if you want to keep it but you just want to make sure that they're not running in the background, you have to just turn it off, turn everything off, or you can just go ahead and just remove all of them since you're not going to be using this. Okay guys, so if you find this video helpful, you can just drop a comment in the comment section and give it a like, and I really appreciate that. You can subscribe to the channel to support, and that's everything for now. See you guys on the next one.